Daihatsu ladies, hello. Yoroshiku. Here we have a Daihatsu concept. Super cute. This was Daihatsu's vision of the future. Mirai means future. And oh, how things have changed.
Midget. Hey, back in the 50s, this was completely acceptable.
This is really cute. This front end here, it says, please do not touch, but my God, I just want to touch it. How can you make a puffy front end on a car and not expect people to touch it? All right, guys.
Here is the new Mitsubishi Triton truck. And actually, I narrated a TV commercial for this model a few years back.
Why did we make the Triton so tough? Why did we give it class-leading four-wheel drive? Why did we pack it with so much power?
This is the Eclipse Cross plug-in hybrid. It's really a sharp-looking SUV, and they're going for around 30,000 bucks.
This is the Mitsubishi DX concept. Take a look at that. Look at those seats. Don't those look inviting? To the opera, James. And here we have the EKX EV, fully electric Mitsubishi, small size box van. I like the color. It's, I don't know what you call that, like a robin egg blue, sky blue, baby.
Here we have the Lexus flagship BEV concept vehicle, the LFZL, Lexus Future Zero Emission Luxury. Check out that bamboo detail in the cabin.
Look at that plush shag carpet.
And the LFZC is slated for the market in 2026.
This is cool. A lot of these manufacturers are coming out with off-road vehicles. It's the RZ Outdoor Concept by Lexus. This is a full-size mock-up of the Honda Elite Jet.
This very futuristic-looking van is the Honda Cruise Origin, and it's jointly being developed with GM. It's an autonomous transit vehicle, and those bulky boxes you see on the corners are the camera sensors to ensure safe delivery to your destination. The Honda Prelude Concept EV. This looks like it's about ready to roll off the lot. A really nice looking model.
This is the coolest display I want. Oh my God, look at this. This is the YXZ 1000R off-road vehicle. Hydrogen research scooter. Look at this tank sitting out in the open like this. Just asking for trouble.
With Nissan, this is the Hyperpunk SUV concept. This is one of Nissan's suite of electrified concept cars debuting at the Mobility Show.
Nissan's concept Hyper Tour.
Here we have the Hyperforce high-performance EV concept. Some obvious nods to the GTR.
This is Nissan's Ariya, which is kind of their entry into the semi-autonomous driving capability SUV.
BMW has a huge market share in Japan among import cars, and their booth and selection of cars here at the show is a clear testament.
This is the i4 M series. Harman and Kardon sound system. Love this digital dash here. It goes across like 2/3 of the car. The M series details. This is the new class BMW Vision, obviously a concept car. More and more vehicles are going with this transparent roof. Here we have the X2 M series. This is the BMW XM label red. That'll set you back today's exchange rate about 200,000 bucks. 748 horse all-wheel drive. It's a plug-in hybrid. This is the fully electric i7 M70. About 200 grand, 650 horse. Huge digital dash up front. You can see it has this massive display back here for the passengers. This is the X7 M60i. This thing will set you back about 150,000 bucks. A Marina Bay blue metallic. Really a hot color. A tour wouldn't be complete without looking under the bonnet. Arigatou gozaimasu. So as a 4.4 liter V8 puts out about 530 horse. This will get you to the store very quickly. This is the fully electric iX M60, 100 kilometers an hour in about 3.8 seconds. Large TFT screen, huge acrylic roof, and a base price of about 150,000 bucks.
Here we have the BMW iX5 Hydrogen. Very cool. These aren't intended for sale at the moment, may be available in the second half of this decade. Is the Suzuki EVX electric four-wheel drive SUV concept, and is scheduled for the market in 2025.
It's the V-Strom 800. Here we have the Swift concept. It doesn't look a whole lot different from the current production model.
This gorgeous vehicle is the Mazda Iconic SP, and our cover model for this year's video. That red is what Mazda calls viola red, and they developed this color specifically to help accent the lines of the Iconic SP. It has a two-rotor rotary EV system that's scalable and can burn a variety of fuels, including hydrogen. Now, they designed it to have an exact 50-50 front-to-rear weight distribution with a very low center of gravity, and I want one.
Of next year, there's going to be a motorsports event in Tokyo. It's the Formula E event, and it's going to be amazing. This actually is Nissan's fastest and most powerful Formula E car with a top speed of 322 kilometers per hour.